My name is Christian Adrian Contreras Camargo. I am 54 years old. I am from Cúcuta, Colombia. I live in Facatativá, Cundinamarca. I live with my family. I am industrial mechanic and I am studying industrial engineer. My hobby is listening to music. My favorite TV show is The Simpsons, and my favorite sport is football. My father is Miguel Contreras. He is 58 years old. He is a costume teacher. He is from Cúcuta, and he lives in Bogotá. He has brown eyes and he has black hair and he likes to watch action movies. My younger sister is Lady Marina Contreras. She is 27 years old. She lives in Bogotá and works as a physiotherapist. She is married and has two children. My older sister is Daisy Mercedes Contreras. She is 33 years old. She lives in Bogotá, works as a nurse and studies surgical instrumentation. She is married and has two children. My wife is Lady Telles, who was born in Cúcuta and lives in Facatativá. She is 34 years old. She works as an occupational therapist. Her eyes are black. My daughter is Charit Contreras. She is 11 years old. She studied in the fifth grade school. She likes to play basketball on weekends.